Geno Perez Adventures. We're doing another unpacking today because a friend of mine from Florida, one of my subscribers that I've spoken to for about a year, sent me a Christmas package. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, it's pretty cool. So stand by. Here we go. And I have my two new assistants, Marcos and Tomas.
Hello. Hello.
And this is the box we're going to be unpacking. Okay, well, here we go. You ready? Let's see what we got. Okie dokie. Well, we got a few sacks. We'll just throw those down. Oh my God. We got stuff here. Come on. Okay, we have cashews. We have pistachios. We have caramel toffees. We have townhouse pizzas. And what you got to know is that we don't get this stuff in Colombia, okay? And we got praline chocolate sticks. We got 2 of those. They must be really good, or Al really likes them. We have regular peanuts. We have Mentos. Holy moly. We have more peanuts. We have mini pretzels. I'm talking. We have a Whitman sampler. That's just candy extraordinaire. We have mini candy canes. We have Snyder's pretzels. And don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And we got more stuff in here. Let's see what we got, Tomas. We got a card. I'll open that in a minute. We have townhouse cookies. Pan and Stone, we have some biscuits. We got some more biscuits. Vanilla biscuits. And last but not least, some more biscuits. So, let's see what Mr. Al said. Al's girlfriend's from Colombia. Al is 74, just like me. Let's see what we got, Tomas. I'm gonna have to get my real glasses on. Dear Maria and Geno, I'm sending you a Christmas special, a small gift from your friend Al in South Florida. I'm sending it early so as to avoid the heavy traffic from the tens of thousands of Colombians in South Florida. It's not much, but I want you to thank the Lord for the distance my friendship. I hope to meet you one of these days soon. Best wishes, Al. People like you brighten the world for everyone. So this is Al's. Jabali is the manager, and it's called Florida Marketing Center. That's what Al does. So if you help him out, look him up on the web. Let's see what his website is. internationalmarketingcenter.com. So go over to Al's website and see him. Thank you, and God bless you, Al. We thank you very much, and we know that was from your heart. So I just wanted to reach out to the rest of my subscribers and send you guys a happy Merry Christmas early. But I got mine early too from Al, so don't forget, subscribe, like, hit the notification bell the first day of the rest of your life, and if nothing changes, then we're going to see you on the flip side.